Do you ever feel like you're late to the NFT party, like everyone else is cashing in on this digital gold rush while you're stuck on the sidelines? You're not alone. But here's the good news. 2025 is the perfect year to start your NFT journey. Why? Because the rules of the game are evolving, and that means new opportunities for smart, forward-thinking creators like you. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to create your very first NFT and take your first step toward building wealth in the digital economy. And trust me, it's simpler than you think. So, are you ready to turn your ideas into valuable digital assets? Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your NFT concept. Every masterpiece starts with an idea. Ask yourself, what value can you bring to the NFT space? Maybe it's digital art, music, collectibles, or even access to exclusive events. Here's a quick tip. NFTs that tell a story or solve a problem tend to perform best. Imagine creating an NFT collection that not only looks cool, but also represents a cause you care about or offers unique perks to buyers. Exciting, right? Start brainstorming. Think big, but stay authentic to who you are. And no, turning your old selfies into NFTs probably isn't the golden ticket, unless you're a celebrity. Just saying. Step 2. Set up your digital wallet. Next, you'll need a digital wallet. Think of this as your online bank account for cryptocurrencies. I recommend using MetaMask. It's user-friendly, secure, and works with most NFT platforms. Download the wallet, set up your account, and make sure to store your recovery phrase safely. Pro tip: never share that phrase with anyone unless you want to lose everything faster than you can say blockchain. But what's the point of a wallet without funds? Stick around, we'll fix that next. Step 3. Buy cryptocurrency. To create and sell an NFT, you'll need cryptocurrency, typically Ethereum. You can buy Ethereum on platforms like Coinbase or Binance. Here's where the urgency kicks in. Crypto prices fluctuate, so the sooner you fund your wallet, the better. Transfer your Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet, and you're ready for the next step. Simple enough, right? By the way, if this feels overwhelming, remember, buying crypto is now easier than ordering pizza, except this pizza could potentially make you rich. Step 4. Choose an NFT marketplace. Think of marketplaces like OpenSea or Rarible as the online shops where your NFTs will live. Sign up, connect your wallet, and explore the platform. Take note of trending collections to understand what's working in the space. And here's the kicker. Marketplaces are more than just selling platforms. They're communities. Engage, network, and learn from others. Now that you have a platform, how do you create an NFT? That's where the magic happens. Step 5. Mint your NFT. Minting is just a fancy word for creating. Upload your digital file, add a title, description, and royalties. Think of royalties as your passive income strategy. Every time your NFT is resold, you earn a percentage. Set a fair price, click Create, and boom! You've minted your first NFT. Congratulations, you've just entered the blockchain. Feels good, doesn't it? But wait, there's one more crucial step. Step 6. Market your NFT. Creating your NFT is just the start. Now you need to market it. Use social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Discord to build hype. Share your story. Why did you create this NFT? What makes it special? Create scarcity and urgency by setting limited editions or time-bound auctions. And here's a secret. Collaborations with influencers or other creators can skyrocket your visibility. But what happens after your NFT sells? Let's wrap it all together. Step 7. Scale and reinvent. Once you've sold your first NFT, it's time to think long-term. Use your earnings to fund your next project, refine your strategy, and build a loyal community of collectors. Remember, the NFT world rewards consistency and creativity, Think of this as the beginning of your journey to financial freedom. And no, this isn't where you retire to a private island just yet, unless your first NFT is that good. And there you have it, your complete step-by-step guide to creating your first NFT. It's not rocket science, but it does require action. The NFT space is growing and the opportunities are endless for those willing to take the first step. But don't stop here. If you're serious about navigating the NFT world and building real wealth, check out my video, NFT Roadmap 2025, the ultimate beginner's guide to starting your NFT journey. It's packed with strategies to set you up for long-term success. Click here or in the description below to watch it now. Your future self will thank you.